Welcome! In this video, we'll introduce you to some essential AutoCAD commands that will make your drawing process easier and faster. Let's get started. First up, the line command. This is the most basic and commonly used command in AutoCAD. To activate it, simply click the line tool or press L on your keyboard. Then, click to set your starting point and drag the cursor to create your line. Click again to finish it. You can continue drawing more lines if needed. Next, we have the circle command. To draw a circle, click the circle icon or press C. Select the center point of your circle and then specify the radius. It's that simple to create perfect circles in AutoCAD. The arc command allows you to draw curved lines. To use it, click on the arc tool or type A. You can define an arc by specifying 3 points: the start point, the center, and the end point. It's great for creating smooth curves in your design. Now let's move to the rectangle command. Press Rec or click the rectangle tool. Click to define the first corner, then click again for the opposite corner, and you have a perfectly sized rectangle. The mirror command is useful for creating symmetrical designs. Activate it by typing MI or clicking on the mirror icon. Select the objects you want to mirror, and then specify the mirror line. AutoCAD will create a mirrored copy of your selection. With the Rotate command, you can easily rotate objects in your drawing. Type RO or click the Rotate tool. Select the object you want to rotate, specify the base point, and then enter the angle you want to rotate it by. Next, we have the Trim command. This command is perfect for trimming or cutting away parts of your objects. Type TR or click the Trim tool. Select the cutting edge, then click on the parts of the object you want to remove. Finally, the Text command allows you to add text to your drawing. Type T or click the Text tool. Click where you want to place the text, then type your message. You can adjust the size and style to suit your design. These are just a few essential commands to help you get started in AutoCAD. Practice them, and you'll be creating professional drawings in no time. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.